Colors is, for me, is the life. Without colors, I wouldn't exist. You need it.
So, my name is Bernhard Heinloth. I'm the CEO here, together with my colleague Torben. Family business, and yeah, important is we are friends since about 30 years.
Coming from Denmark, I went to Germany, and there I got a job in an antique shop where they restoration old furnitures. Actually, a year later, I want to go back, and I get asked if I maybe want to have the half of the company. Yeah, it's not that difficult. The half of nothing is not that much. So as I was 24, I had my own company, and I didn't go back. So yeah, and from there on, it started getting very fast.
Our claim is nature refined. So we want to produce the best products out of this amazing raw material wood. Products that should last forever. And as Torben always says, these products still are my products. Take care of my products. So this is the philosophy of us, of Torben.
Take care.
After learning about the NCS system, I feel really confident to work with my amazing scan here and the app from NCS. And yeah, to describe together with the architects and designers the colors and to start in the right way, to speak one language that everyone understands. And of course, for us here in the production, it's way easier, it's way faster now that we get the right information to produce, let's say, samples in harmony to the ideas of the architects. And it's not that we only produce one color and tell them, take it or leave it. So we could produce darker or other ones, they're more bright or with more chromaticness or less. And in this way, we can figure out really a customized color for every project.
I mean, a designer can say, I go into red with 80% blue, that is my color concept. Then we have a range, but it's not the single one. It's not how we're working with it.
Yeah, and for me, the app is fantastic combined with the scan, because we can work all around the world, and in between of some seconds, we have the information that we need. And it's just easy. I mean, the digital way of communication of colors, it's unique. I mean, this was, in the past, it was just not possible.
But we need to look into the mood board, and we need to understand the color concept. So sometimes pieces like a textile, a stone, there's a lot of colors in a stone. And I think to take decisions, you need to explain why this color is the right color. And here, NCS is great. There's no discussion about it. You see it, it's a numbered system. I think NCS is the most fantastic language you can get. It is a way how you can communicate. You can talk to people around about it. And it was in the past things like, you know, could you make it a little bit less yellow, or maybe a little bit more, yes, I like to see a bit pinky. And if you do that 20 years long, you get frustrated because you don't understand it, and you start losing your trust in your own mind. No, now we have the possibility. As I saw it first time, I was saying, wow. That would work for me. But I think today it could be a fantastic way how to communicate in all products. It could make things so much more easier for all of us when we work global together.
From Middle East to UK, from the super yacht designers to the guys in Switzerland, everyone accepts the system. No one ever told us there's something wrong or I'm missing something. It proves that we work with a system. And also important for them is that if they order different batches for a big project, they will always have the same result. And
control samples.
Yeah, and of course it enables them regarding their clients to offer them something they never could offer before on wooden products. I mean, this was, in the past, it was just not possible. To send samples around and then to have the discussion, do a little variation of this, you ship it back. So the loss of energy, time, money was huge. And this was a big revolution for us, right?
Yeah. I saw the last 2 years that there's coming more and more producer companies who are measuring their product in the NCS code. And for us, it's beautiful when we can get that in the textile world. I can say, could we please have into a group of this, your colors, and we can start working with this. It could be huge if people would accept this language. Decision is not just one color. No color is alone. You need to have a mood board. You need to see the things around it, and then you are able to start a conversation and be a part of it.
Figures don't lie. And there was not one architect who told me, forget it, I don't trust these figures. And you have to imagine in our projects we're working in, the chain of informations, of communications is really long. Till we start here in the production, how can you have the right information here at our machinery from the guy who has the conversation with the designer? And that's why it's an amazing tool of, let's say, fix the color from the beginning. Yeah. We are way quicker to produce samples. We are way better in the result of the finished products itself. And once again, it's a kind of USP for our company. I don't know one human who doesn't like wood. And the same with colors. I mean, how amazing is it to have an amazing flowers on your table? To work with colors, it's just helping us to remember what we need.
I think this Israel will be more and more colorful, more extreme colors since Corona. Yeah, it's wow, it's getting colorful now. The young generation wants to change something. You mean my favorites? Then I'm blue. These three colors would be my colors. Indigo and purple blue ones. Yeah.
Three ones.
Which one are you?
Yeah, look at my eyes.